Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer Tether from Uphold to Binance in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know Tether, USDT, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it perfect for quick and secure transfers without the wild price swings. Whether you're moving funds for trading, investing, or just managing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Uphold and Binance. If you don't, pause this video and sign up. It's straightforward and free. Once you're logged into your Uphold account, head over to your wallet section. Look for your Tether balance. That's where the magic starts. Next, open up Binance in another tab or window. Go to your Binance wallet and navigate to the deposit option. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Binance will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this carefully because it's crucial. Double-check that it's for the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum, depending on what Uphold uses for Tether. Now, back in Uphold, go to the Withdraw or Send section for your Tether. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Always leave a little extra for network fees to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Before you hit confirm, review everything, amount, address, and fees, to avoid any costly mistakes. Once you confirm, Uphold will process the transfer, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Binance account. You should see the Tether appear in your wallet soon. And just like that, you're done. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify addresses and use two-factor authentication. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.